Dangal greetings everyone. My name is Rima Garnica from the Codex Group, and we are here to present our Object-Oriented Programming Group project. I'm here to present our group project together with Mr. Del Mundo, Mr. Espedido, I, Garnica, Mr. Papagayo, Mr. Primavera, and Ms. Zulia. Table of content of this video consists of introduction, group members, code the program, result, and output. Dangal greetings everyone, my name is Rima Garnica from 2CST. Today I'm gonna present the client to Java. So in the first line of code, we have the declaration of our package. This is package OOP, and below we have here the declaration of our class, the client, and this is public class, so which means we can access this class from the whole package. So below we have here private string ID, private string name, private string contact, private string address. So private, which means we can store here information or variables within the client, and we cannot access this outside our class. So we have here constructor, public class client. Public client. Below we have here public client, string ID, string name, string contact, string address, which is from our attributes. So we have here this dot ID equals ID, this dot name equals name, this dot contact equals contact, this dot address is equal to address. So below here, we have here the getters. Getter method, we have public string get ID and return ID. Next, we have public string get name and return name.
Dangal greetings and good day everyone. I am Primavera from 2CSD, and today I will be discussing the clinic management class. In this program, we use the import java.time.year. It allows us to get the current year, which is used in generating the unique client IDs. Import java.util.arraylist and the scanner. The array list is used for sorting lists of dentist, clients, transactions, while the scanner allows user input during client registration. So here we use the private keyword to ensure that certain variables and methods can only be accessed within the same class. And dito po tinatawag po yung array list na ginawa within the dentist class. And yung array list, gumagawa po ito ng empty list to store the dentist object. And same po dito sa client, tinawag po yung array list sa client class. Gumawa po ng new empty array list to store the client object, and same po dito sa transaction. So dito naman po, int client counter is equal to 1. This is to keep the track the client. Naglagay po tayo ng value ng 1 So, dito po siya nag-i-start sa 1. So, meaning, first client ay naka-assign sa value na po. In this method, gumawa po tayo ng list for dentist 1 ng mga ina-offer niya, which is fillings and the tooth extraction. Same as for the dentist number 2, gumawa po tayo ng list ng mga ina-offer niya, which is check-up and cleaning and the teeth. In this method naman po, nag-register tayo ng new client by asking their details and assigning them a unique client ID. Ito po yung details nila, name, number, and the address. So, dito po, string client ID equal generate client ID. In this code, tinatawag po nyo yung generate client ID and it creates a unique ID for a client. And dito naman po, clients add new client ID, name, contact, and the address. This creates a new client object with the details inside the parameter, and then i-add po siya sa client list. So, dito naman po, parang ito po yung confirmation na registered na po yung client. This method, generate client ID, creates a unique ID for each client. Year, now, that get value, that's the current year. In here, we search as for a client in the client list using their ID, and we use the for loop to go through each client one by one, and if a match is found, it returns the client immediately, and if no match is found, it returns null, meaning hindi po nahanap yung client. Same lang po dito sa dentist. Nahanap po natin yung dentist using their ID sa list. At nag-for loop din po tayo. And yun lang po. Thank you.
Good day everyone. Today, we are presenting a simple clinic management system built using Object-Oriented Programming or OOP in Java. Our main class clinic menu serves as the entry point of our program, providing an interactive menu for managing clients and their transactions. This system allows a clinic to register clients, add transactions, and view transaction records. So this system allows a clinic to register clients by adding new patients to the system, add transactions by recording medical services or payments, view transactions by displaying a list of recorded transactions. The main method starts by initializing clinic data through clinic management that initialize data. It then continuously displays a menu with 4 options. Option 1 calls clinic management that register client to take input and store client details. Option 2 calls clinic management that add transaction to record services or payments. Option 3 calls clinic management view transactions to display the transaction history, and option 4 ends the program. Then this scanner object captures user input and ensures smooth interaction.
The dentist class represents a dentist in the clinic management system. It contains private attributes such as ID, name, address, contact, commission rate, and services. The ID uniquely identifies each dentist, while name, address, and contact store the personal and professional details of the dentist. The commission rate attribute holds a decimal value representing the percentage of commission the dentist receives for services rendered. The services attribute is an array list string that stores the type of dental procedures the dentist offers. The class includes a constructor that initializes these attributes using parameters. It also provides getter methods for accessing specific attributes. The getID method returns the dentist's unique ID. GetName returns the dentist's name, and GetServices returns the list of services they provide. These methods allow other parts of the system to retrieve essential dentist information when needed, such as displaying available dentists and their services in the transaction process. The dentist class serves as a fundamental component in managing dentist records within the clinic system, ensuring that each dentist's details and offered services are well organized and accessible.
Ang transaction class ay ginagamit para mag-manage ng dental transactions. Kapag may isang client na nagpa-dentist, nililista nito kung anong service ang kinuha, sino ang dentist na gumawa, ilang beses ito ginawa at magkano ang total na babayaran. Okay, so sa private at let's go for class field. Private client. Nakastore dito ang client na nagpapa-dentist. Ang client ay isang separate class na may dentist tulad ng pangalan at ID ng client. Ginawang private para hindi basta-basta ma-edit ang client information mula sa ibang class. Next is private array list. Dentist. Ito ay isang listahan ng mga dentist na nag-provide ng service. Ang dentist ay isang separate class na may details tulad ng pangalan ng dentist. Next, private array list string service. Nakastore dito ang mga service na ginawa. Ginawa itong array list string dahil sa bawat item ay isang text. For example, filling, teeth, whitening, something like that na for service. And private array list integer service count, nakalagay dito kung ilang beses ginawa ang bawat service. Next is private double total cost. Dito ay tinototal ang babayaran ng client. For double, kaya ginamit ng double is for accurate, lalo na kung may mga decimal values. Next is constructor. Constructor is for setting ng mga list like this, that client, this, that dentist, this that service, this that service count, etc. And this the total cost is equal to 0 since wala pong service na naumpisa, kaya ang total cost po muna is 0. Next po is method to add service. Dito po is kapag tinawag po ito, idadagdag niyo yung dentist service at count sa list. Next po is method to calculate cost. Gumamit po kami dito ng switch case para i-check kung anong service ang pipiliin ng user or ang pinili ng user. Sa price computation naman po sa fillings naman po is kung ilan po yung gustong ipa-refer ng user na teeth, and ang fixed price niya po is 1,000, and ita-times niya lang po kung ilang pong quantity yung gustong ipaayos ng user or ipa-refer na teeth. Tapos sa check-up and cleaning naman po is 600 yung price, fixed na po. Also sa teeth whitening, fixed 500, and sa tooth extraction naman po is nakabase po kung ilan po yung ipapatanggal ng user na teeth. And lastly po is print transaction. Dito naman po is pinapakita po nito yung pinaka-summary po na transaction, lahat-lahat po. Kasi ilulup ang service list para i-print po ang dentist service at count. Ganyan na rin po yung pangalan at ID ng client, and also yung total cost po sa dulo.
Greetings everyone, my name is Jared Magayo from 2CSD. Para sa demonstration ng aming dental clinic, itong target nito is sa tulong na buwan sa isang dental clinic ay may isa or dalawang clinic doctor at maaaring ikaw magkamera ng isa o